Hello, beautiful ladies and girls. How are you? I hope you're fine with good health and very happiness. Welcome back to my channel, Fashion Girly Hair. Beautiful ladies and girls, today I'll share with you if you want a hairstyle that looks amazing without spending hours in front of the mirror every morning. If you're looking at the ultimate low maintenance short haircuts perfect for busy morning when you just want to wash and go, look fabulous. First of all, I'll share with you classic blunt French bob cut right at the jawline. This style holds its shape effortlessly. It requires minimal heat styling. Just let it air dry naturally for a clean, timeless look that frames your face beautifully. Next, consider a soft tapered pixie cut. By keeping the back and side short and neat, you won't have to worry about beaded, and just run a teeny bit of lightweight hair cream or pomade through the top with your fingers, and you're good to go in under 2 minutes. If you love a bit of movement, the choppy shag crop is ideal. The lightweight layers do all the work for you, adding instant body and volume without teasing or blow drying, and it works brilliantly with your hair's natural waves or curls. So beautiful ladies and girls, which of these low maintenance cuts would you save the most time in the morning? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. I need very much. I hope you must do it. So beautiful ladies and girls, I'll see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.